Stop your car! Hoboken police, stop your car! Turn the car off. Turn the car off. It's going to be at the Bolero. Got the car off? Alright, could you please step at the vehicle, ma'am? Is your friend okay? Miss, you alright? Alright. I'm Officer Kibaleski with the Hoboken Police Department. How are you today?
I'm sorry, okay.
Okay, where's your license, insurance, and registration? Do you have it on you?
Yes, I got you.
Where is it? Hold on, stop. Stop reaching for stuff. Talk to me. Where is it?
I'm so sorry.
Where's your license?
My phone. It's in my phone.
Your license in your phone? Hold on, relax. Take a seat. Just chill out for a second.
Yeah, I got you.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Hoboken.
Okay. Any specific reason you decided to squeeze through a construction area and then destroying your entire car while driving?
Honestly, I'm just trying to figure out how to get home.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. All right. Let's work on getting your license, insurance, and registration.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Hey, you guys have said that's key? No.
Is that in the passenger seat? Sorry,
That's
guys.
her friend.
That's my friend.
Just run a rig for her too. It's because she's not
Okay,
doing
there you go. This is my phone, guys.
That's your phone?
Yeah, this is my phone, guys.
All right. Where's your ID? What's your ID, please?
Yeah, here you go, guys. This is my phone.
Awesome. Thank you.
No,
Your license, insurance, registration, everything like that? Yeah.
It looks like the bumper.
sorry, guys.
And then as I'm sitting there looking for the car, because I didn't see anything on this side, all of a
Yeah,
sudden.
I'm so sorry. I don't even know where to go. Everything's blocked up.
What are you looking for now? Ma'am, what are you looking for now?
I'm sorry.
What are you looking for now?
I'm just looking for my...
Registration and insurance?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Probably on the back seat.
Yeah, that's the front of the car and
All right, ma'am. I'm officer.
I don't have it.
It's fine. We'll
I'm
be able to
sorry.
run your
I
license
don't-
plate
I
and
don't
everything, so
have
that's
it.
fine. We'll be able to find it.
Okay,
So
guys.
I'm Officer Rivera. Okay, I'm gonna be
Thank you,
conducting
Officer
a
Rivera.
field sobriety test on you. Okay.
Okay,
So
thank
I'm
you
gonna
so
have
much.
you step over here with me. You can come
Yes,
walk
of
with me.
course. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I have everything.
Okay, that's fine. Just watch your step here.
Yeah.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Just a little bit, but not too much.
Okay. When's the last time you had a drink?
About 2 hours ago.
Okay. And a little bit, not too much, is what exactly? Like what did you
I
drink?
only had one drink.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
A one drink of what?
Casamigos.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
it
right.
was-
No problem.
Nothing
So
too much.
I'm going to be conducting a field sobriety test on you, okay? So it's
Okay.
going to be a series of exams, okay? The
Okay,
first
yeah,
thing
no
I'm going to do is going to be an eye test. Do you wear
Okay.
contacts or glasses?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any medical conditions that would
No,
prevent you
ma'am.
from doing this? Okay.
No, ma'am.
So while I'm explaining of what I'm going to do, how I'm going to need you to stand is with your feet together like this and your hands to your side
Okay.
and just remain like that, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so what I'm going to have you do is with your eyes and your eyes only, I'm going to have you, do you see the tip of this pen?
Yeah.
I'm going to have you follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand that?
Yes, of course.
Okay. The tip of the pen.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
The next test that I'm going to do is going to be a walk and turn test, okay?
Of course. Yes.
So how I'm going to have you stand, I'm actually going to have you walk over here. It's a little more lit. So for this exam, you can come over here with me. For this exam, we're going to be utilizing this line here, okay? So this sidewalk line, we're going to be utilizing that, all right?
Okay.
You can face this way, so stand here
Okay.
and face me.
Okay.
Turn around and face me, okay? I'm going to show you how I want you to stand while I do this, okay?
Okay.
All I'm going to need you to do is listen to my instructions and don't move until I tell you to move,
Okay.
okay? Okay, so how I'm going to have you stand right now is I'm going to have you put your left foot on the line and your right foot directly in front of it and keep your hands to your side, okay? Heel to toe here, you're going to have the heel of your right foot in front of the toe of your left foot, okay? You're going to stand like that with your hands to your side, and you're going to remain like this until I tell you to begin, okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so what you're going to be doing here, all right? You're going to be doing a walk and turn test. You're going to be taking 9 steps forward and 9 steps back. I'm going to show you how to do this, but I'm only going to be taking 3 steps. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, so how it's going to look is you're going to take 9 steps forward. When you get to your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps and come back 9 steps back. Okay? It's going to look like this. Like I said, I'm going to be doing 3, you're doing 9. Do you understand that? Okay, while you're doing it, I'm going to want you to count out loud. Keep your hands to your side and keep your hands to your side. Do not raise your hands more than 6 inches parallel. You're going to be facing, you're going to stay in this position, okay? You're going to be facing down at your feet. You're going to be staring at them. You're going to count out 1, 2, 3 until you get to 9. Take your small series of steps back. 1, 2, 3, get to 9. Same thing. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right? I'm going to show you. Do not do anything. I'm going to show you what you have to do. I'm doing 3. You're doing 9, okay? So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. A small series of steps to get back. 1, 2, 3. And the test is complete, okay? I demonstrated 3. You're going to be doing 9. Do you understand that?
Okay, okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may begin.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, you're complete. Okay. So the next test I'm going to be doing is going to be a balancing test, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any surgeries or any type of medical conditions that'll prevent you from doing a balancing
No,
test
ma'am.
right now?
No.
Okay. So you're going to stand exactly how you're standing right now. I do not want you to move until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay.
So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be standing in the way that you are. When I tell you to begin, you can raise whichever foot you want, either your left or your right foot. Does not matter to me. Whatever foot you feel the most comfortable with, that's the one you're going to raise. That foot, don't do anything now. That foot you're going to raise approximately 6 inches from the ground, okay? Parallel to the ground. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to keep your hands to your side, and you're going to count out 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop, okay? While you're doing that, count out loud. Do not raise your hands more than 6 inches off the ground, okay? You're going to keep your hands to your side. It's 1001, 1002, 1003. Just keep counting until I tell you to stop, okay? If you place your foot down, just immediately pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off. Okay, give me 1 second. Do not begin yet. You have your phone? Put on a stopwatch. Thank you. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you may begin.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, ooh, I'm so sorry, 28, 29, 26, sorry, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Okay, you can stop. You can stop. That's okay. You can stop.
Watch how quickly the polite cooperation falls apart once physical coordination is required. When she repeatedly apologizes, it's almost a subconscious admission of guilt. She realizes her mind knows what to do, but her body simply won't obey. If you can't balance on one foot without stumbling, you definitely can't navigate a 2-ton vehicle through a construction zone without hitting something.
I'm going to be placing you under arrest, okay, for DUI currently. All right, so just please place your hands behind your back for me.
Alright, you mind, you get 5 years, you have a rate and a toll company, right?
Are you the registered owner of that vehicle? Is that your car?
No, it's not my car.
Whose car is it?
It's a rental.
It's a rental?
Yeah.
Under whose name?
It's on the,
Like, who rented it?
it's in Staten Island.
But who rented it?
Okay, but who rented the vehicle?
rented
Did
the
you rent the vehicle or somebody rented it for you?
They rented it for me.
Who's they?
The insurance company.
Okay, but why do you have a rental? Like, what happened? Do you have a car? Something happened to your car?
It was an accident.
Okay. Can you just
Yeah, well, we said hot to the normal, but the machine was operated. That's affirmative.
Okay.
Okay, and just give them a call, just let them know.
Watch.
I'm gonna have the guy on the service ready.
Okay.
Right to,
Where which one's yours?
authority.
Here, we're gonna go this way, okay?
You put her in our car.
Okay.
What's
He
happening?
doesn't need a medical attention.
No, she said she's good. She said she didn't strike her head during the accident or anything like that.
No, yeah, the accident was just yesterday. You don't remember me asking
Yep.
what's going on right now?
So you're being arrested for driving while under the influence.
Oh my gosh. What?
Okay, watch your head. I'm just gonna place your seatbelt on, okay? I'm gonna reach over you.
Can you please have my mom?
Can I what?
Can you please have my mom?
Is that who's in the passenger seat? Your mom? So what do you mean drive your mom?
I just want to talk to my mom.
You want to check your mom?
Yeah, I want to talk
Where
to
is
my
your
mom?
mom?
I want to talk to my mom.
Oh, talk to your mom? Okay,
Yeah.
we'll give you a phone call. You're taking...
Is anybody going to be at your house?
You want that money, right?
Negative. I just need to confirm an ID.
I'm sorry, I'm cold. I'm anemic.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Listen, do you have anybody at home that's going to be at your apartment that you live in Jersey
I
City?
live in the house.
Live in the
My
house.
dad.
Your dad's there? Can you call your dad?
The car stopped
Call your dad.
at the stop sign.
Okay.
New Jersey, X-ray, Nancy Charlie, Bravo 30. My partner's attempted to wake up the driver.
she was afraid to call her dad. Her dad lives with her. She's calling her dad.
On our way there.
It's to make sure somebody's home or to pick her up?
Fine, we're
Hopefully.
We just want to make sure that you get home safe. That's our biggest issue right now.
So the thing is, given everything that's happened already tonight, we're not going to leave you here by yourself. So it's either somebody comes picks you up, or we're going to have to bring you to the hospital because we're in
You go with them. I have
Can I send a car?
Sid. You have mine?
Huh?
No, I have mine.
Did we complete the search of the? Okay.
You go with something.
Where did he say?
Can I send a car?
Hmm?
Can I send a car? I will leave it
Are we
on
done
speaker.
searching?
Yeah.
I'm just cold and anemic.
Okay, we got the ambulance in now.
Yeah, I mean, you want to grab all your stuff?
Yeah, let's go. Let's just spend this time grabbing the stuff we need. Let's go. What's yours?
Sir, we reached out to everybody,
We'll just try with the hospital. We'll drop it off. I'll follow you in.
we're just going to simplify this. We're going to put her on the radio for us. And I'll hold up to the hospital. Receive that, sir. What's the status with the call? It was accepted by John Mann. I got 15 minutes.
No longer.
Keep just stand right here with the vehicle for the call.
Oh.
You have one under your leg, too. So, Dallas, we're actually gonna take you to the hospital. Somebody's answering, all right? You were involved in an accident. You're a little intoxicated, so
It's just for your well-being, okay? You're not in any trouble. All right.
I appreciate that.
So come follow me.
We're gonna transport you in one of our cars, though,
You
okay?
have everything you need. You sure? Charger. What's the wire?
My family is better.
I mean, like I told you, the car's been towed, so whatever you need from the car.
Is that your water bottle? I would bring it with you.
What's that on the seat?
This is just like. That's it.
All
I don't know if you want to smell
So you
it.
have everything
Okay.
you need? All right.
What's that? This is the police station.
The final breathalyzer revealed a staggering 0.18% BAC. That is more than double the legal limit and explains why she sideswiped a massive construction truck without even realizing it. Tonight, she walks away with citations for reckless driving and a DUI. It's a harsh, expensive lesson that feeling okay doesn't mean you're safe to drive. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more raw body cam analysis.